Wanted for law enforcement officer killed or seriously injured in line of duty on Thursday, April 29, 2021 at 5:38 p.m. at 3031 Mid-Rivers Mall Drive, St. Peters, Missouri. Suspect 1, is a white. Suspect vehicle is a dark blue Chevrolet Trailblazer bearing Missouri registration 5SAY50. Vehicle/suspect last seen southbound. The suspect was contacted on a traffic stop and the suspect shot the officer and left southbound on Mid-Rivers Mall Drive. If located, contact your local law enforcement or call 911.